Yeah, what's cracking? How you doing? Happy New Year. This is the last time I'm gonna say Happy New Year, no shade. Don't you hate the people that say Happy New Year for like the whole month of January? It's not even new. Let's not. Don't make me break it down for you. You know it ain't new no more, okay? Past the third day, that's it. It's no longer Happy New Year, but for respect's sake, Happy New Year. Remember, another hair company that sponsored this video today that wanted to show you girls what they're made of. It's called Allove Hair. I'll show you the before stage, the after stage, and we're gonna do one more video of me transforming. You know how I do. It's a 2-port type thing because I want 2 times the cash, okay? Just being clear. I let you guys choose on Twitter which hair I was doing next. Keep watching to see what you guys chose. If you have me on Twitter and you want to look back now, then you know the answer, or you could just keep watching like a nice, obedient subscriber and don't spoil it. Hello, don't be rude. Word to Kim. So maybe you can try to guess what it is by looking at the makeup. But enjoy. Sit back, relax, get the stats. If you leave, I'm calling your boss. I'm telling them that you be late every day. I know you're probably wondering, is everything okay? Blink twice if you need help. But I'm feeling good. Feeling great. I'm experimenting right now, so get into it. I haven't picked up my Fenty Beauty Uninvited lipstick in mad long, and I'm like, yo, why did I put her down? Like, I was just in one of those moods to just do something completely different. Which is why I let y'all choose what I was gonna do with my hair next. I did a poll on Twitter like, yo, what should I do? Should I do navy hair? Should I do blonde streaks? Both looks I wanted to try in general. Naturally, me being indecisive, I was like, son, like, let me just let them choose because, you know, it's for y'all anyway. It's for you, so let me just let you choose, you know? So we're gonna get into it in a second. I had to do this poll 2 different times because of how indecisive you guys also were. A good 8 hours of it, it was on 50-50. Like, today's a new day. How's your new year going? Kick it off with a bang, you heard. I have more hair that I want to share with y'all. If you don't have me on Twitter already, follow me, 1-800-BIG-BIDDY. You know the phone number to call. You know how to find me. So what's the sitch? So who's the bitch? 182 votes. And luckily we have somebody to supply the vibe. Let me get the box. Okay, so today, Allove Hair decided they wanted to take the shot with the big biddies. You feel me? Kind of like pried the box open a little bit because I was pressed. You know, I want to see what it's giving. You know, I love a little wide. You know, I love a little packaging situation. But I didn't open it all the way up. But y'all know how this go. I want to show y'all before what it's looking like because everybody want to do something crazy. Some people are looking to make this an everyday hair or not. But, you know, if I have the choice to show you what you can do with it, I'm going to do that. So lately, I've been realizing when they send you hair, they send lashes too. Storeful. Oh, my camera about to die. Let me have you up. Hold on. Aw, man, cute. Look. That's mad cute. And it also comes with a different kind of hair cap. This the wig cap. This one is like a perforated looking one, like a hairnet looking kind. It's very important that you use a wig cap because you don't want to look like Doja Cat. No shade, Doja Cat. But you don't want to end up looking like Doja Cat and a piece of your frontal, you know, a piece of your hairline is missing. I too, at one point, was not using a wig cap, and that was very toxic. Very toxic times for me. I lost a patch of hair. Okay, so I got another body wave hair, but I got it in a shorter length just so I can manage it better. It comes, you know, with the hairnet on it. It looks pre-plucked to me. Definitely looks pre-plucked to me. What y'all think? That looks pre-plucked to me. I mean, obviously you could keep going. Ain't no shame. Here's the combage. Nice luster to it. Fingers running through like milk, like butter. Vegan, of course. Almond milk. Okay, let's try her on real quick. Let me de-scalp myself. Camera dying and I'm not even camera. Oh, she's another way that's not too heavy. Thank God. Oh my God, those heavy, heavy, heavy laces. I can't take her. My head is too small for that. Straight, nice, perfect length. You know, not too long so we can see what we could do. So we could give, I like 70s era Farrah Fawcett, oldie type hair. Oh my God, I keep, like, the hair's making me cry. I'm emotional. Yeah, she's very effortless. I like, you know, like, who me? Like, not heavy. That's not yours. Like, we're up in a nice little light pony. Giving effortless vibes. Let's see what color we choose to do. What color you think I'm about to do? Hope the thumbnail don't give it away. When I play with hair a lot, I really enjoy it because I could just see myself doing different things. Comes a little bit right under my tit, my boob. If I stretch, it's gonna be there, but like, let's be real. Let's be realistic here, you know? All right, let's see what you guys choose for my hair color. See you in a sec. Y'all saw how it was out the box. Like, it's very, I would consider it a very good like shake and go wig. Like, if you are the girl that goes to work 9 to 5 and you just want to slap something on, you don't have to really glue her down. If you don't want to, just put a band in and you ready to go. This is the wig for you. I know, like, I've been doing a few hair videos here and there. If they continue to reach out to me so you guys can see what's some more affordable hair. You guys know I'm used to wearing Indian hair, and you guys mentioned that it's just something that you can't always buy and afford, which I too cannot always afford. So I'm glad that we're meeting in the middle and the hair companies are reaching out and we can test together to see which everyday hair is for us or which ones is for you. You know what your speed is. Obviously this isn't for every girl. Some girls like bundles, but for the girl that wants to just give a look and go and have the option to like revamp it, this is the wig that we're talking about today. So you guys ready to see what you chose? I feel like being a dick. Should I add earring? I don't know, I just want to procrastinate. So how was your day? Let me stop. I did my rendition of this because I'm going to eventually alter the color later this week to it. Let me take mine. I'm just dragging it because I don't know why. Why am I dragging it? You can kind of see. We did the blanched beaks. Let me get them flyaways down. This is your alley. Good thing about this hair is that it can dye, it can lift without the texture of the hair. It was not compromised at all. It didn't break off. It knew its roots. You feel me? If the craft was from the Bronx, that's what I feel like I look like right now. You feel me? I can't wait to curl her for her to give like some nice bombshell energy. No. What I was saying about the hair is that I accidentally over bleached it. So right here, it was only supposed to be like 1-2 streaks right here, as I had in the reference picture. But I think that when I'm gonna eventually dye this a specific color, I think I'm gonna do a green. But yeah, she is a, let's check the stats. I like playing with my hair. It smells so good. What I got was the 22 inch because I didn't want something too long. So it falls right by our crop top. One of my favorite lengths to like give. I don't like it too long anymore. And y'all saw it was body wave and it was full, you know. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's already a constructed unit like I showed you in the beginning of the video. Look at how good the lace took to the different colors. So smooth. Let me show you not pushed back behind the ear. Y'all know that's my go-to. And I didn't cut any layers into this hair yet. I'm gonna save that for, you know, on when I give y'all the revamp look. It's all the hair pushed forward, push the hair back. Like I said, it's more the everyday hair where it's not too heavy. Like if you're the girl that doesn't like a lot of density hair, meaning it's gonna be prone to tangling more, it's gonna be prone to more shedding, just something that's not gonna weigh you down. Not weigh you down like it's like come on, like obviously we're not putting no hair on our head that's like about to murder us, but it will lay flatter or frit because it's not that much hair to frontal. This is the perfect unit for you. Dye it black. This is how, you know, I dyed the back jet black. I know what this look needs now, and I'm gagging. That I know what it needs. It needs this on top of it. You, damn, got too excited. Been inspired to add this iridescent Fenty gloss on top of this gloss. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. In Jesus' name, baby. That was a touch that I did not know I needed. You know, when the picture's so good, you gotta get the mirror wiped off, take a selfie, you know, document what Jesus has done for you. Okay, so this is the look I'm going to work with. I'm gagging. They're gonna gag too. But how we feel about it? You know, we trying new things 2020, baby, on my body. I mean, you know, do what you gotta do, but I'm stepping out my comfort zone this year. I could say I tried something new. I can't wait to see what else I could do to you, baby. Let's see what we're gonna do next. Till next time, I see you in my next video. Okay, you better come back too, because if you don't come back, like, you're patient. I'll see you next time. Maybe I should let you vote to see what color. My vote is for green. You can vote to see what color you want me to dye my front part over to be. You tell me. I like engaging, you know? Also, I'm indecisive, so that's all that knows. Help me help you see what it could do.